Booabula, and we've been driving through the mud.
Look,
Ben's loving it.
Here's the wash feet.
Don't worry about the bloody trailer. What about my car? Look at that. Mine's a city ute. It's not meant to get dirty. It's meant to be spotlessly clean all the time.
Hey,
Look at that. That's disgusting.
One thing, we haven't got bogged yet.
We haven't got bogged yet. Yet is the key word.
Hey, look at my toolbox. At least got my toe straps in there, haven't I? And my chain.
Toe straps and chains are no good if we don't have something to tow us out.
Exactly right, Pete.
In the cattle wrangler, he's got to open the gate, and there's a big bog hole where we've got to go through. We've got cattle scattered on both sides of the gates. So he's got to be cattle wrangling, opening gates, and he's going to be watching me going through this mud here. All right, let's do it. Here we go. We hit it hard. It's a bit slippery and muddy through this area. So we've had to drop the old Triton into full low just to get through some of these slippery patches. We can't believe it. So we've been driving around this morning, obviously, and we've never seen so much grass at Booabula. Just amazing. And driving through here, so driving from the gate where I am down to the house where we're staying, it's usually just a dust bowl. Oh, there's Joy over there, wandering around. All you can see is her black with a little bit of red on it, wandering around in the grass. Never seen so much grass. Just amazing. It just goes to show what a bit of rain does. Coxie's here and he's turned up in his truck, so Ben's absolutely wetting himself. He loves it. We're worried he might get bogged back in here. Got to go and pick up some gear, but who knows. Loading the tractor onto the back of the flatbed. Apparently we've got to get an auger back up to hay as well.
Hey.
Just having a bit of a play with the tractor on the back of the truck. What do you reckon, Ben?
Bloody good, mate.
Ben loves his stuff. He can't get enough of it. Ben, he's nearly wetting his pants with excitement because he's got to strap down the tractor onto the truck. Ben,
Yeah.
how excited are you?
It's really exciting, Pete.
He can't get enough of this. Look at the grin on his face.
Hey, he's over to because he gets stuck.
So
Then
we're
Mr. Richard's hot down to tie him out, doesn't he?
Don't think the Triton will be pulling this out. This is a bit heavy. Truck's doing a lot of spinning but no moving. She's pretty sloppy in here, so it's not sinking, it's just spinning, which is not a bad thing. There's the mighty Triton. Joy's sitting in the back, and we're at Nutrient now, picking up some bits and pieces. I just moving the tractor back a little bit so we can fill the grain on the front. I think it's fertiliser we're going to pick up here. They should be good to go. Got to get 6 pallets apparently. Ben's guiding. Ben's words of wisdom. Here you go, Ben in front of the Nutrient sign. He scored a few caps as well off them. As a bonus, Joy doesn't look too fussed. Got her back to us. Oh, there you go. She's even wearing the hats. There you go.
Pete, this one's going to my place to scrap.
So Ben's keen on taking this to scrap, but I don't know. I reckon Coxie might have something to say about that. We're at his other place called Namcot. We're just cruising around. We've got the trailer dolly wheel back on, so that's all good to go. Now we need to do a bit of wiring on the thing. Piles of wood here. How you going, Joy?
Hey, Pete, all I need now is a bloody fire, mate, to light up, bloody burn this on bloody firewood up, hey?
I'm around Namcot. We've been to the right to the end, and now we're just cruising our way back to the front gate. We came across his old truck. We think it still drives, but it's seen better days. Ben's eyes are popping out of his head. Final now at Booabula. Sunset is beautiful. It's going to get chilly again tonight. It's been very chilly each morning. Overnight it's been chilly. We've had a low of 1 degree one morning and a top of about 4 degrees for the morning. You can see the colours are just magnificent. The sun's setting. We've got dinner on.